You've probably tried Amazon affiliate marketing before, right? Maybe you made a few sales, maybe you struggled, and maybe you gave up. The truth is, most affiliates fail not because Amazon doesn't pay, but because they're missing a secret Amazon loophole that changes everything. This isn't a gimmick. It's not fake reviews, spam links, or expensive ad campaigns. It's a real Amazon affiliate hack hidden in plain sight. Once you understand it, you'll see why some affiliates succeed, while most continue to struggle. I discovered this secret Amazon loophole while experimenting with normal affiliate campaigns. I noticed something odd: some clicks and sales tracked differently, and my commissions were higher than usual. I thought it was a mistake, but it wasn't. It was the loophole, and it completely shifted how I think about affiliate marketing. Most people focus on trending products, traffic, or complex funnels. That's why they fail. This Amazon affiliate hack works differently. It's about timing, reach, and using Amazon's system correctly. You don't need social media followers, a website, or a big ad budget. Small traffic can generate real commissions when this loophole is applied. Amazon doesn't hide it completely. It's embedded in their system. But most people never take the time to read the details. Those who do discover the secret Amazon loophole quietly earn every day, often without anyone knowing. Why isn't everyone using it? Most affiliates never dig deep enough to understand it. They follow trends, copy what others do, and fail. Those who understand this Amazon affiliate hack quietly make money consistently. This loophole isn't about high-ticket products. It works best with simple, everyday items people already buy. Books, electronics, home goods, it doesn't matter. The method works for all products. Beginners can see results within days. You don't need a website, tech skills, or experience. Just follow the steps behind this secret Amazon loophole, and you can start earning commissions fast. Timing and leverage are crucial. This Amazon affiliate hack isn't about selling more, it's about earning smarter. Once you understand this, your commissions grow in ways most affiliates never imagine. Some worry Amazon will shut it down. The reality is, it's been available for years, fully legal and allowed. But the sooner you learn it, the sooner you can start earning. I've seen people fail when they try to copy the method without understanding the loophole. That's why the full presentation I linked below is so important. It explains everything step by step, so you can apply this Amazon affiliate hack correctly. Once you see how it works, everything changes. Every link, product, and purchase suddenly has more potential. The secret Amazon loophole shows opportunities others completely miss. This method is scalable, repeatable, and works for beginners and experienced affiliates alike. The same steps work for multiple products. People are using this Amazon affiliate hack to build consistent daily income quietly and effectively. If you want to finally start seeing real results in affiliate marketing, click the link below and watch the full walkthrough. This secret Amazon loophole is simple, effective, and can be your shortcut to daily commissions. Don't wait. Click the link, watch the walkthrough, and see how this Amazon affiliate hack can change the way you earn online. Once you see it, you'll never look at Amazon the same way again.